Let's break it down. This isn't a hype session, it's a technical deep dive that could help you catch the next leg before the market wakes up. So, grab your coffee or your charting tools and stay with me till the very end, because this update might change how you trade Kaspa this week. And hey, if you're serious about winning in crypto, do me a quick favor, smash that like button to support the channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. The algorithm loves it, and it helps me bring you sharper insights every single day. Kaspa's recent move, the setup. Kaspa has been steadily creeping higher since it bounced from the $0.066 zone in late June. No wild spikes, no crazy dumps, just clean, methodical movement with higher lows and a steady grind upward. This kind of price behavior, it's a trader's dream when you're looking for signs of real strength. No drama, just calculated pressure. As of July 16th, Kaspa is hovering around $0.087, just below the psychological 9 cents barrier. The 9-day moving average is rising, and for most of this month, KAS has been comfortably floating above it, a bullish signal for short-term momentum. What happened yesterday, and why it matters? Let's rewind for a moment. In yesterday's forecast, we called out the critical range between 8 cents and 9 cents. We said if KAS couldn't break out, expect more consolidation within that band. And boom, that's exactly what played out. KAS made a run at $0.089, hit resistance, and slipped back to close near $0.0874. But when it dipped toward the $0.083 zone, buyers stepped in hard, just like we expected. This price action confirms two big things. Buyers are defending $0.083 as key support. The market is coiling under resistance, setting the stage for a decisive move. The technical landscape. What the charts reveal. The Kaspa daily chart is showing textbook bullish structure. Let's zoom in. Rising channel. Price is bouncing between an ascending support and resistance zone. Descending trend line. KAS is pushing up against a long-term trend line from the May high at 13 cents. This line has smacked down every major rally for the last 2 months. Support levels. The $0.083, $0.084 zone is acting as a launch pad. Below that, $0.078 and then $0.075 are the next layers of defense. If KAS manages a clean close above 9 cents with volume, we could quickly see a push toward $0.098 and maybe even 11 cents if momentum sticks. Technical indicators summary. Let's talk indicators. RSI, trending upward but not overbought, room to run. MACD, bullish crossover intact, ROC, rate of change, supports continuation. ADX, strong trend forming, no bearish divergence in sight. Together these are painting a picture of steady bullish control. The key is, can Kaspa capitalize? CTA reminder, mid-video. If you're finding value in this breakdown, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps this video reach more KAS holders who need this info. And if you want to catch every move as it happens, subscribe and turn on notifications now. Don't miss the next candle that changes everything. Possible scenarios. What comes next? Bullish scenario. KAS breaks and holds above 9 cents. That flips resistance into support. Watch for fast moves to $0.098, then potentially 11 cents. Momentum traders will likely pile in after the breakout confirmation. Neutral scenario. Rejection at 9 cents sends KAS back into the chop range between 8 cents, 9 cents. This means more sideways grind while traders wait for the next volume surge. Bearish scenario. If price breaks below 8 cents, bearish pressure returns. KAS could revisit $0.075, and if that fails, $0.066 becomes the last major line of defense from June's bottom. But right now, the bulls still have control. As long as that $0.083 support holds, the upside remains in play. Final thoughts why this move matters. Kaspa's slow and steady rally might not grab headlines, but the chart tells a different story. This is the kind of setup seasoned traders watch closely. Low noise, tightening range, and clear breakout levels. KAS is squeezing into a corner, and when pressure builds like this, the release, up or down, tends to be powerful. So if you're trading or holding KAS, this week could be pivotal. That's it for today's deep dive on Kaspa's price action. I hope this gave you a clear roadmap for what to expect next and the levels you absolutely must watch. Thanks for spending your time with me here on TJ Crypto World. I appreciate your attention and your support. It keeps this channel going strong. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to check out my latest video on why Bitcoin's sideways action could set off the next altcoin season. I break down exactly how macro market moves are impacting coins like KAS, Don't forget, like this video, subscribe if you're new, and let me know in the comments. Do you think KS breaks out above 9 cents this week, or do we head back to $0.075? Until next time, trade smart, stay sharp, and keep dominating the charts. Peace out, fam.